Hey family, this is Dominic Curry. It's been a while since we've been together, but I'm glad that we're back and right on track. I want to share with you some information that has me and just about 1 million other people super excited. Excited about what? Excited about our future. For the first time in life, we see something real, something tangible, something attainable, something accessible. And it comes to us by way of a wonderful company called Karatbars International. Established in 2011, located right there in Stuttgart, Germany, where our headquarters is located adjacent from the Mercedes-Benz Corporation. That ought to show you something. In the same financial district as a prestige company such as it. Now, we are there at a real place that you can show up to any day of the week and you can see it for yourself. Established in 2011, doing international shipping to more than 140 countries around the globe, specializing in the production and sales of high quality gold products and small transaction friendly weights. Spearheaded by our wonderful founder and visionary Dr. Harold Seitz, who's not only the founder and CEO of our company, but he's also a senator in the Global Economic Network, as well as a member of the Economic Council. I don't know anybody else that's better qualified and suited to talk to me about finances than he. Now, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you what to do with your finances. God knows that I've had my shares of ups and downs. There's been times that I've been on the financial mountaintop, but there's also been times that I've been so low that I had to look up to see the bottom. So I just gravitated toward his mission and vision. And here's what he said. He said, my mission is to produce the highest quality gold available in the market, make it easily accessible to the masses of honest people around the world at a price point that everyone can afford. He said, my goal at Karatbars is to help millions, plural, find financial freedom from the current system of debt. Now, as we go into this world of Karatbars, you're going to see a lot of different things. And the truth is that everything that you see is going to be good. So we're tempted to talk about them all. But if you give me just a few minutes of your time, I just want to talk about the foundation. I want to stick to the original intent and show you what we really do. What do you do, Curry? I'm glad you asked. Primarily, we save gold and we help others to do the same. Well, why do we save gold? Check it out. If we can take a journey in the grocery store, once upon a time, the late 90s, even in the early 2000s, not very long ago, we could take $20 US, go into the grocery store, and we could get just about a full basket of groceries. Y'all remember that? Fast forward time to 2020, we take $20 into the grocery store, a basket, a shopping cart will laugh at us because the few items that $20 can get you, you can hold in the palm of your hands. I know it's funny, but sometimes you gotta laugh to keep from crying. Why is that? It's because of the silent cash killer called inflation, where the prices of goods and services continue to go up and the value of the dollar continues to go down. So naturally it costs more of it to get the same exact things that we used to get in the days of yesteryear. Another reason we save gold is because somebody did the very fine job of giving us this graph, showing us documented proof that since the Great Depression in 1932, we can see how gold has outperformed cash by more than 6,200%. And if you look at this graph, you would see that just in 1932, now my grandmother was born before 1932, so even if we only went back a couple generations, this is what I thought of in my mind. I said, what if gold was in my family just 2 generations ago? Not long. What if my grandmother would have had gold, had given it to my mother or my father? And what if my mother and father would have just handed it down to me? Just since 1932, check this out, $100,000 in gold would literally be worth and liquidatable for $6.2 million by today's standards. Unbelievable, right? And that same $100,000 in cash has the buying power or the cash value of only $2,000. Unreal today in 2020. Another reason we save gold, for June 2020, if we went into Citizens Bank, I ain't talking about nobody, they said, let me hold your money. And if you look at the chart, they're actually one of the best, this is one of the best returns that we can get from this CD or certificate of deposit. They said, let me hold $5,000 and you have to let it sit here for the entire year. If I try to get it before the year, then I'm going to get hit with a penalty and I'm going to have to pay a penalty out of my money. This is a fee. Let it sit for the whole year and I'll guarantee you 1.3%. I said, wow. What if I would have had $5,000, which is their minimum, and I would have given it to them just last June 2019, at these same rates? I could have went and got it June 2020, and I would have had 1.3% more than the 5,000. What's 1.3% of 5,000? You do the math. Take out your calculator and see. 5,000 times 0.013. There you have it, $65. Why do you save gold? Because I compare apples to apples. And I said, let's look at June 1st, 2020. This is when I took this screenshot. 1 year ago, I said, now, if I would have saved my cash in gold rather than a CD, where would I be? June 2019 to June 2020, I could have liquidated that or got back returns of 31.56%. Unbelievable. Which do you want? The 1.3% or this 31%? I think it's safe to say that you know why we save gold. What do? We save gold and we help others to do the same. So, what am I saying? I'm saying that this company allows us to open up a free gold savings account. Free $0.00. No money is required. Free $0.00. Open up a free gold savings account and I can save as little or as much as I desire, as often as I want, at a frequency that makes sense to me. There's no time that I have to leave it there, but I want to have gold in my family for generations to come. Why? Because of what I just showed you thus far. That's why we decided to save gold. Now, I told you we also help others to do the same. So why do you refer this to others? What's in it for you, right? Glad you asked. This company allows us to actually do some amazing things with a wonderful referral program. And when we refer friends, we are also rewarded. Now, you don't have to refer a friend. You can just open your Gold Savings account and do whatever you want to do. However, if you're going to refer this to anybody, if you're going to refer it to others, you might want to take a look at these packages. Why? Because the company also allows us to participate in what I like to call team profit sharing. And they allow us to do it by way of these packages: bronze, silver, gold, or VIP. And because we're actually utilizing this metaphor of team profit sharing, with these packages, I need you to understand that the higher you go, the more shares you theoretically purchase. Check out what I'm saying. I want to direct your attention right to the middle of the page where you see Team A and Team B. Why am I showing you Team A and Team B? Because we only do two things here. Remember, you should be able to say it. We save gold and we help others to do the same. So, in essence, no matter what you decide to do, if you're going to just save gold, or if you want to participate in both of these ways, like I and so many others might be, where we actually said, I want to participate in team profit sharing too and get one of these packages, no matter what you decide to do, you're going to be on somebody's Team A and somebody's Team B. Because this is a referral-only system whereby you only get to participate by virtue of somebody's referrals. Now, whether I'm saving that gold or getting one of these packages, whatever I purchase, what happens is that units are generated. And when units are generated, they go into the teams by which they're generated. And so what happens is that if I save just 1 gram of classic gold, that's 1 unit. However, if somebody decides that they just want to get one VIP package, that can be as high as 100 units. So you see how these units can actually accumulate very, very quickly. Now what happens, because I wanted to know what are these units on this Team A and Team B. Well, that's how they get there. Now, when 25 units show up on one team, 50 units show up on the other team, the system just searches to see, where am I? Am I bronze, silver, gold, or VIP? Look, if I'm bronze, when 25 and 50 units show up on the teams, it's going to pay me 40 euro. Yeah, euros, which is more aggressive than a dollar. However, when that same 25 and 50 shows up on the team and I'm VIP, it's going to pay me 80 euros. That's right, double for the same exact thing. Remember I told you, the higher the package, the higher the payout. My only other question that I had on this scenario is how many times can that 25 and 50 happen per day, per week, per month before they cap me out? Because no company can pay everything forever. They said, listen, this caps out at 180,000 dual team payouts per week. Heard all I needed to hear. Now, I ain't trying to make no income claims or anything else, but without saying anything, I said to myself, wow, what if this thing only paid me $10 every time that thing did 25 and 50? Would it be worth it? You do the math. 10 times 180,000. I won't say it, but I'll let you see it. Crazy aggressive, depending on whether or not I'm bronze, silver, gold, or VIP. Obviously for me, VIP was the place to be. But do whatever you want, however you want, even if you want. That's the contingency. Bronze, silver, gold, or VIP on team profit sharing, where you can benefit from everybody's referrals. However, they also had another reason why I decided to refer to others, is because now no matter if I'm bronze, silver, gold, or VIP, get in where you fit in, do what only you can do. And here's the cool thing. If I'm bronze, but somebody decides to participate by virtue of my referral and they are VIP, they're going to pay me 10% immediately. No matter if I'm bronze, silver, gold, or VIP, this is even across the board, because the other way showed how I benefit from everybody's referrals, but in addition to everybody's referrals, I'm also going to benefit from my own referrals. I hope you hear that. 10% immediately. If that group of people that I refer others, they're going to pay me 3% immediately. If that group of people that my referrals referred start to refer others, they're going to pay me 2% of all of that. I said, what in the world? 10, 3, 2 generationally on top of the team profit sharing. That's why we show others to do the same. I said, well, how much are these bronze, silver, gold, or VIPs? Well, we can actually do this a few different ways, and please know that this is the starting cost for each of these status levels: bronze, silver, gold, or VIP. Obviously, VIP starts at about 3,800 USD, and this is what the Forex is showing for today, but you know, prices can slightly differ depending on the Forex from day to day. But this is in USD, right around $3,800 for VIP status. But hey, it pays out the most shares in the team profit sharing, and all the way down to lowest almost $200, because we know that people are in different places and phases of their life, and we want everybody to be able to participate in this team profit sharing. And please understand that each package comes with a prescribed measure of free gold, as well as gold override potential for both personal and generational referrals. Amazing, amazing. The last and final reason why we decided that we're going to refer to others as well is because the company allows us to get long-term incentives, such as a free Rolex watch, Mercedes-Benz, free. We know people that got both of these, multiple cars, multiple, I don't even want to talk about it, as well as a villa at a place of my choosing. All rewards for building a team of gold savers. That's it, guys. That's all I have. We save gold. We help others to do the same. I want you to see the reason why we save gold and why we help others to do the same. Listen, do your future a favor. Get with the person that invited you or send you this video and let them know how you want to participate. Listen, I want to be a gold saver for sure because it's free. And I also think that I might want to participate in this team profit sharing at one of these levels, bronze, silver, gold, or VIP. Do whatever you got to do. If nobody shared this with you and you stumbled across this video, send me a message directly. I will be more than happy to lock arms with you and help you do what you should have done a long time ago. Pay yourself first and help the world for generations to come.